Hi there, welcome back. Well, as you can see, still no Ferrari. I don't know what to do anymore. Yes, here we are. I have to get this off my chest. Sitting in the garage, loads of little jobs to do, but I'm really annoyed right now that my car isn't finished yet. And to be honest, I don't even know what they are doing right now. It's been 8 months, and well, I'm really fed up at this moment. I really want this car back. The first plan was to have it on the road right now, and we still don't. Sitting here in between parts, no car around. It's been in the shop for 8 months. Um we agreed about 4 to 5 months. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Uh, I tried to eh, push it a little bit, and they reacted, said, "Well, come over in 2 weeks or 1 week, and then you can see the progress." And yeah, it's been busy, but we're working on it. Um, and then silence again. And I know the guys deliver a good job, and I know that my car comes second. That's part of the deal. But come on, 8 months. I want this project finished. I want my car back. I want to drive in it, but I also want all the stuff I have here. I want to make it beautiful and put it on the car directly, and I can't do that. And really, to be honest, I really don't know anymore. What should I do? Should I get my car back? Be mad? Be sad? Uh, Offer them more money? Not like I think that's would be fair. To be honest, to be fair, I would accept. I would uh, rather have a discount because all of the time it's taking. Um, but nevertheless, I think this is really starting to annoy me. I'm really stressed about this, and I just want to finish the project, and I want to drive, and I want to share my car with the world. And still, I'm sitting here in the fucking garage. So, well, just wondering, what would you do in this case? I tried calling them, but their reaction time is very, very slow. And I just want to finish the project. How hard can it be? 5 months. It should take. Now it's 8 months, and I know it's part of the deal. But yeah, come on. I want my car back. I want to finish it. I want to drive. Well, another year wasted. 3 years. This fucking project is taking me. Well, okay. Just any suggestions what I should do? I think I got a few options. Get mad, hope, push, push, push. Just go there and see what happens. Um, for all sake, they sold the car or something. I could get my car back and see what happens. And if I have to find some other party to finish it, finish the painting, um, or something else that I could do. And I know there's no bad. It's not like they deliberately trying to push me or something. It's not my job. In my job, people try to do that. But this is getting annoying. I just want to finish the project, and I want to get working on my Ferrari, man. I want to drive this baby. I really want. Meanwhile, I have to think of a chore that I can do today. Well, in a few hours, the mailman is coming by with some new paint and other stuff. I got some very interesting stuff. Uh, yeah, on order. That's for the exhaust paint. So the parts that are not wrapped, I'm gonna paint that black, matte black. Also new paint so I can finish that panel, and all the panels are laying there clear. And I found something in the garage, or in the shed, that I have forgotten about. Can you see it? Well, here it is. I've got some carbon fiber wrap, outdoor wrap. I've used this wrap on the Alpha, the 159 I used to have in the long past, the Rama car with again a gearbox failure. But yeah, well, having that there, I suddenly think, whoa, what can I do about it with it? Is there something I can wrap just to have fun or get my mind off of the drama? I don't know. Maybe on the Ford some parts. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I was thinking about the mirrors and the side panels, the beast styles on the side of the car, maybe, or just do nothing with it, or interior. So yeah, let me know if you have any ideas. Well, for now, I'm gonna forget about the stress and just find a little job to do when the mailman is here to finish and work on Ferrari. So at least then I have something. And well, the good thing is Sunday is another Ferrari drive. I'm gonna drive behind it in my daily driver. Well, actually I had planned to do that drive with the 308, but sadly it cannot. And maybe I have another test drive coming, but I don't know yet. So I'm not gonna tell you about it until it's done. So let's get started for today. Well, let's talk about impeccable timing. I just changed clothes, yes, with the stains. And the mailman arrived with this stuff. And this is the heat resistant exhaust spray. So we're gonna start with that one. After that we're gonna do some sanding. And well, we'll see where we end. Let's get started. I've already said that, come on. So well, let's have the garage open. Let's do this. Well, that was a nice job. Gets my mind off the car. So I'm pretty happy with the result. I will turn you around and we'll have a close. If you look closely, you see that the shields are black and the ends are black. Yes, I know I should have done this before I put the heat tape on. But yeah, well, it is what it is. It just normally the car would be finished and then I wouldn't even have done it, I guess. Um, this one is a little challenge. It's an unused part of the system, so there has to be something on it, but that is gone, so I have to fabricate something myself. Any suggestions are welcome. And I didn't do these parts because they were hard with the spray can to reach, so I decided it would be better to do that part with a little brush. So that will happen a little later on. For now, we're gonna, yeah, well, it's already outside. We're gonna do some sanding and then we're gonna call it a day. So, I think you didn't hear the final part of my sentence. If that is the case, what I just said is we're gonna do some sanding and then we're gonna call it a day. Because work arrived, I have to do something else. But I'm gonna take 1 hour just to finish up what I had in mind. So let's continue. Wow, that's a lot of dust. I hate sanding, don't you like? Don't you? Yeah. But there it is, the piece. Wait, there it is. It's not white anymore. Uh, it's a little bit wet right now, but sand it down back to the basics, and then we're gonna do some repairs here and there. The biggest problem I have right now is I need a car. I'll switch over sides again. Yes, there you are. I need a car to be able to fix it in, correct it. So I have to think of what I'm going to do. I can repair without the holes and drill the holes when the car is here. And that way I can paint it. There's a lot of dust. I'm going to have a shower real quick. Okay, but well, most important thing, I got it all off, mainly on the visible side. the downside a little bit less, but that's less important because you won't be able to see that. Um, ah, okay, at least we did something. I'm still fucked for the fact that I don't know where my car is, or how she's doing, or never mind. At least we did something. I'm pretty happy with the exhaust. Shouldn't have to do it, but okay. At least when we have the parts here, let's have them shiny here. So I'm going to take a shower, then I'm going to go get back to work, because that's also important. And I wish you a good day. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye.